Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss lesson 2 of your second book, that is A Pact with the Sun. The name of the lesson is The Friendly Mongoose. Have you seen a mongoose? You can see this in the picture. A farmer, his wife, and their small child lived in a village. There was also a baby mongoose in the house who they believed would be their son's companion, fellow, and friend in future. One day the farmer and his wife went out, leaving the child alone with the mongoose. Now we have to discuss these points. Once a farmer and his wife lived in a village with their small son. Can you say how many people were there in the house? The farmer, one, his wife, and their baby. They loved him very much, means farmer and his wife loved their small son very much. We must have a pet. Pet is a tame animal. The farmer said to his wife one day, when our son grows up, he will need a companion. Companion is a fellow. This pet will be our son's companion. His wife liked the idea. Farmer's wife liked the idea. One evening, the farmer brought, what is brought? This is past participle form of bring. Bring, brought. One evening, the farmer brought with him a tiny mongoose, a small mongoose, and he said, it is a baby mongoose, said his wife, but will soon be fully grown. He will be a friend to our son. Next page. Both the baby and the mongoose grew. Grown. Grew is past form of grow. In 5 or 6 months, the mongoose had grown to its full size. A lovely animal with 2 shining black eyes and a bushy tail. The farmer's son was still a baby, still is even now a baby in the cradle. Have you seen a cradle? In the right side of the picture, you can see a cradle in which the child is sleeping. Sleeping and crying alternately. Alternately is one after the other. He was sleeping, or when he was not sleeping, he was crying. One day, the farmer's wife wanted to go to the market. She fed the baby. First form of feed is feed. the baby and rocked, means swayed to and fro, him to sleep in his little cradle. Picking up the basket, she said to her husband, I am off to Bazaar. Off means going to the Bazaar. The baby is sleeping. Keep an eye on him means be careful about the child. Frankly, I don't like to leave the child alone with the mongoose. You need not be afraid, said the farmer. The mongoose is a friendly animal. It is as sweet as our baby. Sweet means lovely. It is as sweet or lovely as our baby, and they are the best of friends, you know. The wife went away, and the farmer, having nothing to do in the house, decided to go out and take a look at his fields not far away. He ran into some fields, friends. Ran into means he met with some friends on the way back and did not return for quite some time. Next point. The farmer's wife returned home from the market carrying a heavy basket. She found the mongoose at the entrance of the house with blood on his face and paws. Third point, she jumped to the conclusion that it was her son's blood and the mongoose was the guilty one. Now, explanation of the 3 points. The farmer's wife finished her shopping and came back home with a basket full of groceries. Groceries are general items. She saw the mongoose sitting outside as if waiting for her. On seeing her, he ran to welcome her as was customary. Customary is usual. The farmer's wife took one look at the mongoose and screamed, cried, blood! She cried. The face and paws of the mongoose were smeared, daubed, D-A-U-B-E-D, with blood. You wicked animal. Wicked is a very bad word. Means she means farmer's wife used for the mongoose. You have killed my baby, she screamed hysterically. Hysterically is uncontrollably. She was blind with rage. Rage is anger. And with all her strength, brought down the heavy basket full of groceries. What is first form of brought? That is bring, brought. Basket full of groceries. On the blood smeared mongoose. You can recall the meaning of smear, just I have told you. Dot, D-A-U-B-E-D, mongoose, and ran inside to the child's cradle. I think you have learned this meaning, cradle, in this picture. The child is sleeping in the cradle. The baby was fast asleep, but on the floor lay a black snake, torn and bleeding. Torn. First form is tear. Tore, torn. So a black snake torn and bleeding in a flash, in a moment. She realized what had happened. She ran out looking for the mongoose. Oh, you saved my child. You killed the snake. What have I done? She cried, touching the mongoose, who lay dead and still is calm and quiet, unaware of her sobbing. Sobbing is weeping in a convulsive manner. The farmer's wife, who had acted hastily, hurriedly, and rashly, carelessly, stared, gazed long at the dead mongoose. Then she heard the baby crying, wiping her tears. She went in to feed him. So, do your work peacefully. Don't be hasty. In Hindi it is said, बिना विचारे जो करे सो पाछे पछताए. The same lesson is there with you. The farmer's wife did not wait the cause why the mongoose face and paws were smeared with blood. She came on a bad conclusion. Thank you, children. You read again and again this lesson. You listen again and again this lesson in this video. I think you will understand this lesson in a well manner. In our next video, we shall discuss about the questions which have been given in this lesson. Thank you, children. Thank you again.